This is a lovely custom-built home with a tile roof in the highly desired Palm Harbor subdivision. This house contains 3 bedrooms, a great room, and a large Florida room which is tiled and can be media or family room. It also has a small hobby room great for extra storage as well. Built in 2004 and immaculately maintained by original owner construction, the property also includes a fenced yard and a circular driveway. This ideal home offers granite kitchen counters, solid wood kitchen cabinets. Master bath has jacuzzi tub, separate shower and marble tops, open design split plan for extra privacy. Irrigation system is set electronically and has a well for lawn watering. The house also has gutters and privacy screened by garage door. This wonderful home is minutes from beaches, shopping, and restaurants. Add this to your must-see list today.